Tapos na guys ang aming
Morning,
coaching, boxing, taekwondo. So, welcome.
Galit na galit
Janice,
na chick sa atin na nakatingin. Sabi mo lang.
LV, and Feli.
Muna namin yung amo namin.
Hello everyone, hello, hi, this is May. Welcome guys, welcome to my channel. So today as an OFW dito sa Hong Kong, ano nga ba ang ating lunch? So ito ang aking lulutuin na lunch, which is pak choy or pechay yata sa atin, pero maliliit dito guys. Ang pechay sa atin is malalaki ang dahon, but dito is maliliit. So ganito lang siya kaliit guys, yung pak choy nila dito or pechay. So dapat isok muna natin sa tubig for an hour or kahit short time lang, pero lagyan ng suka and asin para matanggal yung mga uod na nandito sa kanyang dahon. So that's a secret guys. And one more thing is yung mga pesticides or mga medisina rin sa dahon na nakadikit sa dahon. Kailangan natin isok ang ating gulay sa tubig bago natin i-prepare or lulutuin. And stay tuned. If you're new to my channel, please consider subscribing and hit that notification bell so you'll be notified whenever I uploaded a new video. And please do visit my Facebook, the same name sa aking YouTube, which is May Tabalina. Here you go. So we've done preparing our pechay or pak choy. So I boiled water. Nilagyan lang ng oil, a bit of oil, drop of oil, then a pinch of salt, and boil your pak choy para sa ating lunch. So simple siya guys, very simple and easy. So ganito lang yung lunch ng isang OFW dito sa Hong Kong. So medyo okay na siya. Yes, soft na siya. So okay na ang ating vegetable. Then next nating i-prepare is ang ating main course, which is chestnut and pork chops. Okay, gaano ba ka-healthy ang iyong pagkain guys? Dito sa akin sa Hong Kong, I make sure na laging healthy ang aking mga kinakain. Pero minsan may mga cravings tayo. So guys, ito na. Yes, tuloy natin ang ating kwentuhan. Minsan may mga cravings tayo na hindi natin kayang kontrolin. Kaya we have to eat or we have to sometimes eat what we like, what we want, diba? So ito na siya pala ang aking chestnut with pork chops. Itong pork chops guys is I cut into chunks. Pork chunks. Yes. So yung ano natin, chestnut is I boiled it separately para mas madali siyang lutuin. I boiled separately, then yung pork is I pan-fried it separately din, kaya medyo brown na siya. Ayan. Then I used a little bit of sugar, soy sauce, and cornstarch para mag-sticky ang sauce. Then all we need to do is add the chili. So, ito ang ating chili guys. Ito ang aking chili. I cut it kasi kagabi inulam ko yung kalahati. So, i-cut natin ito. Add sa ating chestnut and pork. So, there you go. Ang ating chestnut and chili. So, did you know that paano mag-keep ng chili or mapanatiling fresh pa rin ang chili sa na mas matagal siya guys, mas matagal ang pag-keep ng chili kasi minsan o pag-preserve kasi minsan yung chili kapag nasa labas lang is madali siyang mag-dried up or malanta siya guys. So ang ginagawa ko is okay na siya, nawala na yung sauce. So, ang ginagawa ko pala siya guys is I wash it, keep in freezer na ganyan siya, fresh. Then, if gusto mong gumamit ng chili, take one as you like. Kaya, still fresh and spicy pa rin. Super spicy. So, here you go. Ang ating lunch. Lunch na isang OFW dito sa Hong Kong. So, chili. We have chili in pork chunks with chestnut. Delicious. Then, may gulay tayo, which is pak choy. Boiled pak choy. Para balance ang ating diet guys. Dahil lunch, so may rice tayo. Ito siya ang ating rice with quinoa seeds. Yung dark or brown or red or beige, yan siya ay quinoa seeds guys. I mix in the rice before cooking it. So, kaya ganyan siya guys. May mga iba't ibang kulay. And, it's rich in fiber and healthy as well. So, lunch na isang OFW dito sa Hong Kong. Simple lang. Easy prepare. Balance. And healthy. Diba? So, ito siya. Ginagamit ko pala is tricolor. Organic tricolor quinoa seeds. Kaya may tatlong kulay dyan. May itim, may red or brown, and may beige. So, that's buhay ng isang OFW dito sa Hong Kong. Anyway, if you watch the video sa aking Facebook, please do visit my YouTube. The same name pa rin, May Tabalina. Or simply go to YouTube, search May Tabalina guys, and you can find it there. And if you watch the video sa aking YouTube, please do visit my Facebook page. The same name din sa aking YouTube, which is May Tabalina. Spicy guys, I love spicy, yes. Maanghang siya, but did you know that spicy or chili is a source of prevent cancer cells. Yes, ang spicy or ang chili. So, simple lang ang buhay ng isang OFW sa Hong Kong. Maraming salamat uli sa panood. Always keep fit, stay healthy, and live a balanced life. That's all for today. Thank you again for watching. Stay tuned sa mga next video na aking i-upload. shoutout pala sa aking channel members and to all of my subscribers. Thank you so much. Thank you for your time. Thank you for watching. Thank you for always supporting me. So see you soon again, guys. Thank you again. I can't reach this far without your help. See you soon. Bye bye.